Hey guys, we received this Miroddi car keychain with my Find Tracker. The keychain works with Apple Find My app. So let me just open and show it to you. So basically, you can connect it through your iPhone, and you can charge this as well. It have a tracker inbuilt. You can put in your car keys or any other thing, and then in case you lost it, you can easily find it through that Find My app. So let me just take this out. So user manual and stuff. So heavy duty keychain in here, as I can see. To ring back, this is also a can opener or the bottle opener, and then have this charging cable. So you can use this charging cable to charge this keychain, and then once charged, you can easily use it. So on and off switch in here. So let me just start it. So it's a really heavy duty water resistant keychain with the inbuilt tracker, so you can see that it's really good and easily can be used. So I'm just doing using my iPhone due to some security reason. I cannot show the location and everything, but hopefully it's easy to find, I can say, and you can see that you can easily connect it. The name and everything you can put for the keychain. So this works really well with with my Find My iPhone app, and then you can just give the icon, search it, and start using it. So this you can use a carabiner as a bottle opener, and then do all little stuff with this keychain. Very solid keychain with the Find My and the hooks. You can use it for the car keys and the home keys.